welcome from the Rethink Internet of Retail Minds 2017 here in Hamburg. I'm here with Arttu Huhtiniemi from Kesko, from Finland. Thank you very much for taking the time.
Thank you for being here.
Cool. All right, first of all, could you briefly introduce yourself, please, and tell us about your position at Kesko?
Yeah, so my name is Arttu. I'm an engineer and working at the retailer Kesko as a tech lead, responsible for kind of consulting role in helping the businesses to do their digital transformation and advance their projects.
Here at the conference, everyone is having lots of discussions about the IoT and the future of digitization in the retail industry. Where do you see the IoT and its technologies having the most impact on the retail industry?
It's anywhere where there's friction for customers and in their shopping journey. And it depends on what type of retail you're doing. So, for example, we do various retail like car sales and groceries. And in groceries, the pain point is when you go shopping, you want that to be as easy as possible and as fast as possible, and maybe give you inspiration on what you should do today, whereas in car industry it's very different kind of story. But removing the friction, that's where the technology comes in.
Okay. And what do you consider the biggest challenges in your field at the moment when it comes to digitization and the adoption of IoT?
I think the technology side is actually pretty simple. It's been there for almost 10 years or 20 years. We have had like RFID stickers and NFC available, but the challenge is to find the actual use cases that create value for customers and the retailer, and that's where we are struggling at the moment, and the adoption is therefore not that great at the moment.
And in your company, how are you facing these challenges?
Well, we try to concentrate on the customer first. So we have a team doing customer insight. And we use data for studying the customers and their behavior and trying to learn from that on what the kind of services we prioritize when we start to develop.
Mm-hmm. All right. What do you think? Will the IoT enable new business models and new business applications? And what do you think how they look like?
Definitely, but that's on the long run. We still need to take the first step to have the IoT working for us. But down the road, I see that the platform economy will greatly benefit from all kinds of IoT technology, whether it's sensors or something else. But that's like the second or third step down the road.
And in your company, what exactly is the implementation stage that you are at regarding IoT?
We started the digital journey about 2 years ago, so we are in the first phases at the moment. But we have some successes already, like with mobile applications that we have created, have a great usage rate, and people are very happy to use that. And the other side, if you consider that the loyalty cards are part of IoT, that's big, because we have like 3.6 million loyalty cards in Finland, okay, out of 5 million population. So.
Okay. Later on, you will have a presentation on future digital in-store services. What would you say are the services that would be really meaningful for customers to change their everyday store preferences?
I think the biggest benefit is that if we can remove or help with the checkout process, especially with the day-to-day shopping. So if you can make the grocery shopping easier and faster for the consumer, using some kind of new payment methods and checkout processes, that will definitely help the consumer.
Okay. Last but not least, what were the expectations that you brought to this conference, and which outcomes and benefits do you expect to gain from the exchange with peers?
Just to learn what they have done, what could benefit us as well, and also learn from vendors on what kind of new solutions they are bringing us.
Arttu, thank you very much for your time and for the interesting insights, and hope you're going to have an enjoyable rest of the conference.
Thank you.
Thanks.